Hello and welcome. My name's Joey. I'm with J&G Electric. I'm the master electrician. Today we are going to share with you something that could probably save you a lot of money on a weekend or a holiday or late at night when your plugs in your kitchen stop working. Most people are unaware that they have GFCI receptacles. Now if you pan over here, this outlet is a regular outlet. If you look to the right of the stove, that's a regular outlet. You see regular outlets all the way around the kitchen. So you say, well, we don't have a GFCI receptacle. You definitely do. You definitely do. You just don't know where they might be. If you pan over to here where this coffee pot is sitting, it's blocking the receptacle. You can't see it. If you move the appliance, you can see that that outlet looks totally different than the other outlets that we just looked at. And if you look closely, there are two buttons. The one on the top says reset. The one at the bottom says test. Now I will tell you, sometimes it is difficult to test and reset these devices because of the pushability. When you're pushing in, sometimes you have to push a little harder than you would think that you would normally need to push. So let's just take a look and see how that might work. So what you're going to do is you're going to press the test. See how hard I'm pushing? Finally it clicked. The reset, and you're listening for a click. And that way you know that it's reset. You heard the click? Now that's that. To test a GFCI receptacle, you need a tester like this. This is by Klein Tool Company. It has this center button. The center button simulates a ground fault. And what a ground fault is a connection point between the ground and the neutral conductor, okay? So this would be the power conductor. This would be the neutral conductor. This is your ground conductor. If this and this come in contact with a GFCI receptacle, it will trip. So we'll plug it in. If you zoom in, you can see you have two green lights. The green lights indicate that the outlet is working properly. When you press this test button, listen for the pop. You heard the pop, the outlet went off, okay? We're going to go one step further for you today. So now you know what a GFCI receptacle looks like. You know what a standard electrical outlet looks like. But let's say you go to this standard electrical outlet and it's working. You see the two green lights. But listen, while we're filming here, you heard the pop, didn't you? Let's take a look and see which plug went off. And the one that we've been working on is still on, because there's a second GFCI receptacle behind another coffee pot over here. So most kitchens have two GFCI receptacles that operate all of the receptacles in the kitchen. Two of them. Some older homes may only have GFCI protection at the sink. All new homes, you have to have GFCI protection throughout the entire kitchen, as well as AFCI protection. Hopefully this was very informative and helpful for you. If you liked what you saw today, please subscribe. And until then, we'll see you later.